Hi, and thank you for tuning in. I made a video earlier about having thought that I destroyed my $3,000 worth of Battleborn lithium-ion batteries when I forgot to disconnect the solar panels from the batteries during a period of extremely cold here. And I live in the state of Indiana, and now today, as of right now, it's 81 degrees. And it's still hard for me to believe that just a couple of weeks ago, maybe 2.5 weeks ago, it was below zero in my state. But that's Indiana for you. That's the Midwest. You never know what you're going to get. So anyway, in the previous video, I detailed what the recommendations from Battleborn and its parent company, Dragonfly, the recommendations on how to bring these batteries back to life. I followed all of their directions to the letter. And so far, so good. I have good news. The batteries seem to be working perfectly well. They're maintaining a really nice charge, well above 13 volts, so right within spec. So it looks like I got lucky on this one. And I've had a couple of requests from people on another channel of mine to show the camper van, do a camper van tour. Well, I've been making a lot of changes to the camper van, and it's a disaster. So I'm not going to do a tour right now, but soon I'll do a tour. And I started building this van way back in 2018, late 2018, early 19. So I've had it for a while. I've had a lot of great trips on it, and it's like anything else. It's an evolution. I constantly change and redo things all the time, but I'll be happy over the next week or two as I can to just do a brief tour of the van and some of the changes that I've made to it. So anyway, the batteries are doing great. Everything seems perfect. So thank you for tuning in. Oh, I may also add a video of just what my battery and solar layout looks like as a kind of a prequel to doing a full van tour. So stay tuned, check in with the channel, and we'll talk more van life stuff. Thanks again for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye.